peacock. Its colorful feathers and graceful dance make it the most eye-catching bird. Mandarin duck. Its bright and multicolored feathers make it truly unique. Bird of paradise. Its style and dance are both absolutely fascinating. Flamingo. Its pink color and long legs make it stand out. Scarlet macaw. A beautiful combination of red, blue, and yellow colors. Golden pheasant. Its golden and red colors look extremely attractive. Kingfisher. It looks stunning with its blue and orange colors. Rainbow Lorikeet. Its colors are just like a rainbow. Resplendent quetzal. Its long tail and green-red colors make it special. Northern cardinal, famous for its bright red color and beautiful voice.